Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I will tell you the best way to create a YouTube channel with best settings, and the best part will be it will be a cakewalk. It will be very easy to create a YouTube channel. So open your favorite browser and at the very top type google.com. Please ensure that you have created a Gmail account, and if you have not, then just click on Gmail and it will ask you to create a Gmail account. Once you're done, here at the top right corner where you see the Google Apps, we need to click on that, and then we need to click on this YouTube. Once the YouTube is opened, at the left hand side you have this three parallel lines, and at the right hand side you have your profile icon where it can be blank or it can have a profile pic if you have uploaded. Now once you click on that, here you will have many options, and at the very first and the very first step is to create a channel. So what I would recommend to click on, instead of clicking on create a channel, click on YouTube Studio. I'll tell you why, and then it will ask you how you will appear. And here you can upload the picture of your channel, and here you can mention the channel name, and you can also mention the handle. Now the handle, please ensure it will be very convenient for audience as well if you mention the name and the handle same. So like if it's a Easy Tech Geek, then my handle should be also Easy Tech Geek, so that anyone can find you or tag you. All right. So once you do that, just click on create channel, and very soon we will have a new window appear. So it's actually creating it, and congratulations, you have successfully done the first step. Now it says, welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights and latest news. Now here we need to click on continue. Now, as I said, I will mention the best settings as well. So here you have created your channel, you see your profile photo, and here you have the options. I'll tell you one by one. Now the dashboard will show you all the uploads and whatever the subscribers, views, videos you have created, it will be there. Now, since we need to change some settings, we need to customize. So the very first step is to click on this customization. And once you click on this customization, it will ask you to upload a channel later. Trailer. You can do that later if you wish. You can, if you already have a trailer, you can add it from here. So whenever someone visits your YouTube channel, it will show him the trailer along with your whole channel. All right. So here I'll just scroll down, and here we don't have to do anything currently, and we will go to branding. So please ensure the picture should be 98 by 98 pixels, and it should be 4 MB or less. I would recommend to use the PNG format, which is very good. And banner is also very important. Please ensure you have a quality banner, and you can use Canva to create a banner for you. And you can remember this size. You can note it somewhere, 2048 by 1152, and it should be less than 6 MB. So using Canva will be a great thing, and from here you can create a banner. All right. The video watermark. It is very important to have a watermark to subscribe. So if you wish that you want faster subscribers, I would recommend to upload a watermark to subscribe, bell icon like that. All right. Once you're done, here we have this basic info. You can mention here, you just need to mention the channel name, which is already done, and the description. Now, please ensure that you mention the description correctly, and it should not be very long. It should be brief, and ensure all the keywords are also there. So let's say if you have a channel of gaming or fashion, then those trending things or evergreen keyword should be there in your description as well. The description has to be very genuine and ensure it's not very long. It should be under 1,000, or I would say 500 words at most. I mean, fine. And here you can mention the link if you have a website, or if you have any other link which you want to add, then you can share with link with your viewers as well. It has an option here. Now this is your channel URL, and here you can mention the contact info. Now please make sure that you do not mention your channel email here. Please ensure that you enter a different email address here so that people can contact you with business inquiries. So whenever they will visit your channel, and if you have good amount of subscribers and views, people will contact you for the business inquiries, and email is a must. Once you're done, you just need to click on publish, and at the left hand side here we have the settings. So creating a YouTube channel is a very easy thing. However, if you do not follow the basics, then you might have to try harder to get success on YouTube. So these are the basic settings which I'm sharing, and it is very important to be just stick to the basics. Now here at the left hand side, I'll click on settings, and here you can mention the currency, whatever you want. I would recommend to just keep it US dollars, and then click on channel, and here you can select your country and the keyword. So please spend some time here in this keyword section. Look at your, I will tell you what you can do is you can search what things can be, searched by your audience. If you have a niche, let's say if you have a gaming or fashion niche. So if you are using gaming, then you can use Valorant or most trending games, or whatever the game you play, you can mention those keywords here. And please ensure you do not have more than 10 to 20 keywords. That will be enough to understand YouTube that, okay, this channel belongs to gaming or fashion or cooking, like that. All right. Now go to the advanced setting. Here you want to set if your channel is made for kids. If not, then you can simply select no, set this channel as not made for kids. All right. And feature eligibility is here you can check upload videos like it is enabled or not. Intermediate features, videos over live streaming eligible, and here you don't have to do anything, right? And now go to uploads. You can also click on save. Once you are done with this basic, advanced, and feature availability, click on save and then go to upload defaults. Now here in the upload defaults, if you make same type of content, you can mention the tags right here. I would recommend not to upload defaults, because each and every video can be different and the tags will also be different. So if you create a same type of content every day or every week, you can mention the tags and the things here. And I'll click on advanced settings. Here you can mention the language. So if it's United States or whatever the language it is, from here you can select it. And the category is very important. Please spend some time here and select the correct category of your YouTube channel. It is very important. All right. And title, description, language should also be mentioned. And here, if you want to allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, so it is already default, and I would recommend to just keep it default and just click on save. And here if we go to the permission, Here you can allow and invite other users like a manager or uploader, like that. The community section is from here you can add a moderator, standard moderator, approved users. You can do that. But if you're creating a new channel, I hope you already you are the only person who is creating and managing everything. However, you can do that from here. Creator demographics. You can take the survey and just click on agreement. If it gives you any option to do that, just do the check mark and click on save. All right, so now you are absolutely set, and now you can create your videos, content, and I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial, and I wish that you get success on your YouTube journey. Create informative entertainment, good content, so that people and audience love your content and channel. So all the best. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.